Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Leo. But please remember, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So my angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Leo gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright, let's start your reading, Leo. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. King of Wands, Ace of Swords, Page of Wands, Four of Swords, Ace of Cups, center of my spread, Leo. With the Four of Wands, the Moon, Six of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. Bottom of my deck, I have the Knight of Pentacles. Well, things could be stagnant at the moment, I don't know. Or maybe somebody now wants to come in with a solid offer, because I do see a lot of love here. Somebody definitely wants to take action, they want to clear the air. Maybe there's been a little bit of stoppage in communication or fear of, getting in touch or something. But there has been somebody who's been really, they've taken some time out to think about love, commitment, long term, and they do want to speak their truth. They don't want to hide anything anymore, but they're a little shy maybe, or a bit embarrassed or ashamed. Maybe in the past something happened. Let's see what that is all about. Let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Leo. If you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first. Leo and their person, spirit. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Thank you. Take a few more, Leo, from another deck. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. All right. And a couple more from here as well. Mix it up. Leo and their person. And we're good to go. Thank you. First card here, Leo says, "It hurts me that you continue to choose others over me. What do they have that I don't? Or is it that you don't feel worthy of a real connection? I hate that your rejection can still trigger a tendency for me to spiral out of control with unhealthy and addictive behaviors. You knowingly brought me into a clusterfuck of a situation. I trusted you to do what was right, and you let me down. I get so triggered seeing you do things for others that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are you wasting time for?" This is the second reference to one person. I think this could be this King of Wands saying that because they like a lot of attention. And Leo, this is your card, right? This could be you. Could be a cross-watcher. But yeah, the King of Wands is a character who is full of himself. It's like, me, and everybody should look at me because I'm so handsome and strong and successful. And they hated that, somebody is not maybe messaging them or giving them attention. I would wait for eternity I would wait for eternity to be with you. I will never let you go. You are my one true love. I've been waiting a lifetime for you. Love doesn't even begin to describe what I feel for you. There are no words to explain the depth of my feelings. I like so many things about you that even I don't know how to tell you that I love everything about you. I think that you were made for me and I was made for you. We see this from two different perspectives. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. All right, Leo, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading, but first I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Leo, as always, let's see what my angels have for you. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, emotions. Well, somebody is going through, I think, a lot of dark emotions. They have taken a bit of a retreat now to maybe think about their own behavior. Maybe somebody was looking to get attention, which they didn't, and that pushed them into understanding things about themselves and also recognizing that, well, there is love here. Okay. King of Wands, what do you want to say to us? Say something to us. We'll give you the mic. King of Wands. King of Wands. King of Wands says, well, I'm by myself. I am now thinking about all that happened, how a beautiful connection was spoilt now, has some bad memories. Somebody was rash, probably they were. They didn't fight for the connection when the time was right, and now things are kind of not that great between the two of you. Yeah, there was some rash, immature behavior which happened. It's put this King of Wands, I think, in hermit mode to think about why the other person probably isn't fighting for this connection or fighting for them. Ace of Swords. So what's the clarity now? What have they understood? Well, they feel all these games that they played, all this power struggle and, I'm the boss kind of games that somebody played, they became the loser. Because the other person, I think, dropped them or didn't fight for them or chase them or, what they were expecting, the attention they were seeking that never came, which has kind of taught this person a little lesson in how not to behave. Page of Wands in reverse. Page of Wands in reverse. Yes, this person could have been a little selfish, a bit self-centered. It was like King of Wands and now in reverse again, right? So this is somebody who was very self-centered. It was all about them. And maybe that person stopped talking to them or interacting with them. And now they're feeling, ouch, got left out in the cold. Maybe that's what they did to their person first, and now they're feeling they're in the same boat. This has pushed this King of Wands now to take a little retreat and think about their own behavior. Four of Swords. Four of Swords, Spirit. One more. Yes, in this little time that they've had to, kind of think about maybe their own behavior, they've realized that, hey, I don't want to be in this state forever of not being able to sleep at night, staying worried, having nightmares. All I want is now to end this conflict between me and my person so we can find peace and happiness once again. They are now realizing that this connection had the potential of the Ten of Cups. Happily ever after, because there is potential for love, there's potential for a beautiful soulmate connection with the Ten of Cups, all three beautiful cards. So this little time of retreat has actually woken up one person to the potential and all their mistakes maybe of behaving maybe too prideful. Now they want to show up correct. They want to now, they've grown up. Somebody's grown up here and they want to transform this connection where they want to approach maybe their partner as somebody very stable, somebody who's actually going to do the right thing. They don't want to feel stuck anymore. Four of Wands. Yes, whoever this King of Wands is, who was very attention seeking in the past, they do want to try one more time. They do want to try one more time, but the problem here is that they don't know how now, because they're feeling very burdened by the fact that this connection has already stagnated to quite a degree. They know they'll have to come, if they do try, they will have to come and bare their soul. They will have to open up, they will have to reveal why they did what they did. There can be no more secrets, and that kind of really bothers this person. They don't have much hope now. This is how they're feeling. At the thought of revealing their emotions puts them into a tizzy like this. That and because they're embarrassed. They're very embarrassed and ashamed now of their own behavior, right? So now they're very stressed out as to how to now. Yeah, but they know that the tower was brought down by them. They were the cause of the structure falling down, and it's the onus is on them now to make things right. They still do love their person who they see as beautiful, kind, loving, intuitive, and yes, there is a lot of love they feel, but they also know that they are the ones who messed it up, and that's really embarrassing. This King of Wands, I think. So, Two of Pentacles in reverse. Two of Pentacles in reverse. They feel this Queen of Queen of Cups is now become the Queen of Wands in reverse. They are scared to come forward because they feel that this Queen will be very upset. They must be still very angry with me. They will not want to invest with me. I have destroyed the chance of having this happily ever after with them. They will not want to do work with me anymore. And the feeling that this Queen of Wands has already kind of dropped them. So that is where the fear and the anxiety and the overwhelm is from. This person is going through a lot of deep, dark emotions at the moment, but it's actually given them a wake-up call to their own behavior. Now that they want to come back, all their bad behavior is coming to light to say, oh, you behaved like this, no wonder. Now if you go, they're not going to take you back. You had everything presented on a silver platter and you threw it away because of your own bad behavior. So that's the reason they are very, very slow. Let's see why. Knight of Pentacles, Spirit. They are very unhappy. They're very, very unhappy. They feel they want this so badly, the Two of Cups. Now they're recognizing the connection and they're very unhappy with themselves for having made the wrong decision. They made a choice, they made a decision, and they know they made the wrong one. So yes, this could be like a lesson. This could be a soulmate connection where this King of Wands was meant to learn that they can't be egoistic or too over prideful and lose the best thing that was a gift from the heavens. So let's see what happens next week then, Leo. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.